Even in today's era, when advanced technology and promising treatment is available to most of us, I see retinal disease as a major cause of low vision, especially in elderly population. My heart aches each time I see a patient in his 70s or 80s or even early on age struggling to even read, write, or recognize faces and leading a compromised life. As a retina specialist, I come across many such moments. Moments when I feel I wish this patient had come little early on, when the disease was in early stage and a treatable stage. Retinal diseases are silent thief of vision. They progress quietly without any warning signs unless they have reached to a stage where treatment is not possible and the damage is beyond repair. Hence, I see a dire necessity to increase the awareness of retinal diseases in general population so that people in general become more aware and alert about such irreparable retinal disease, and we could save most of the vision before they reach a beyond repair stage. That's what inspired the Macula, Retina and the Diabetic Eye Disease Clinic at Asian Eye Hospital, a dedicated space and team to treat retinal diseases like diabetic retinopathy, age-related macular degeneration, retinal vein occlusion, macular hole, retinal detachment, and so on and on. The focus is on early detection, accurate and precise diagnosis of the retinal disease, and an international protocol-based treatment strategy plan ensuring resolution of this disease without any loss of vision. We use state-of-the-art investigations like Zeiss Line OCT. This is the single most important tool when it comes to retinal disease management. This is like getting a cross-section of the retina at a very high resolution, just like an optical biopsy, which helps us to delineate and see fine details at the retinal level, which cannot be seen by naked eyes. This test you may have to do every visit when you have a retina disease to monitor the disease as well. Next is the Zeiss OCT angiography. This is a very advanced technology. This technology allows to study the blood vessels in the retina without giving any injection or dye. It is similar to the angiography of heart, but without injection and without any dye. Most of the retinal diseases occur at the blood vessel level because retina is a highly vascularized organ, and this OCT angio helps us to study the disease, especially the challenging and the more difficult disease, in detail at the blood vessel level, helping us to plan the disease management more accurately, more appropriately, again saving the sight more efficiently. We have a very advanced technology at the Macula Retina Clinic at Asian Eye Hospital, which is wide field Optos fundus imaging technology. This technology has revolutionized the retina practices in the last few years, where we can study the retina, evaluate the retina completely without dilating the eyes. Patients who have retinal diseases are well aware dilatation of eyes can be a little cumbersome. It causes blurring of vision for 4 to 5 hours, but this can be completely avoided now because of this Optos wide field fundus photography machine. The test you see will just take 2 minutes and you have the entire retinal details in matter of 2 minutes without dilatation. Retinal diseases are long-term diseases. We have to keep reviewing these patients, keep taking the OCT pictures, keep taking the retinal pictures again and again, and such technology comes very handy and makes the journey for patients very convenient. So, what matters when it comes to successful retinal disease treatment? Through my experience, I have realized the following 3 points are very important to remember while dealing with a retina patient. Number 1, accurate, exact diagnosis of the disease and also right categorization of the disease is very important when it comes to treating it accurately. Number 2 is international protocol-based, evidence-based treatment strategy planning based on the accurate diagnosis. Number 3, involving the patient in the treatment. The most important cause of retina treatment going unsuccessful is interrupted treatment. At Macular Retina Clinic in Asian Eye Hospital, we ensure we make the patient understand the disease entity in detail because we are very sure about what we are dealing with. We counsel them, we tell them how much time the treatment will go on, how many injections they will require, what will be the precise financial load they will have to bear through the treatment process, which helps the patient to get involved in the treatment and improves the compliance of the patient. So rarely patient's treatment is interrupted and goes unsuccessful here. Retinal disease treatment is a journey of the patient and the doctor and not one-time solution. Our clinic's approach is deeply personal. Every patient feels heard, receives calm, compassionate and individualized care, which is also very, very important, I feel, in the fragile age when most of the retinal diseases are seen. The Macular Retina and Diabetes Eye Clinic is determined to ensure that your world remains bright, detailed and full of color the way it is meant to be.